you want this level of clarity and visibility, you have to try Wolfgang Uber Glass Coating. Check out our application process and of course the wonderful results you just witnessed. Hey, Justin Lobato here inside of the beautiful Autogeek show car garage, and we're here today to introduce one of the newest members of the Wolfgang Uber lineup family, and that is going to be Wolfgang Uber Glass Coating. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons to a glass coating, especially on the windshield. Now, no matter where you live in whatever part of the country, everybody drives a vehicle that has a windshield. That's pretty standard, right? However, the other standard and most commonality type scenario is that when you're driving on the highway, what you have is right dead center of the highway is that black line where you just pick up all the fuel, the fossil fuel, the oils, the road soot, the grime, everything you can imagine that's just pure nastiness that can wreak havoc on not only the paint, but your windshield is all picking up and basically catching the front end of the vehicle, the leading edges, which is of course your windshield. And this is what you need to see out of. So this is more of a liability thing. So you do have the wonderful wiper blades that help with, sweeping off water and dirt and debris, but they have limitations. They can only go so far. And that's where a glass coating such as the Wolfgang Uber Glass Coating comes into play. Because the benefits of that when that's applied is that will help with any type of inclement weather. It will help reduce the wiper use, but also help just completely beat off all the water, snow, road film, everything that basically hits the windshield. But before we get into all the benefits or great benefits of that product, let's talk about the prep process, because that is key to that product being super successful. That is a multi-step process, and I'm gonna go through that with you today. And right now, basically what we're looking at is, of course, the Wolfgang Perfect Vision as your step one. And that would be, of course, cleaning your glass. And then as your follow-up step, then you're gonna wanna use the Wolfgang Perfect Vision glass polish. And basically we're gonna use this glass polish with our small 3-inch polisher here, and of course this heavy polishing pad. That way we can ensure that it removes all of the road film and contaminants that are on the glass. Now, the other side of that too is if you notice on your glass, it has a rough or gritty feeling that may be from overspray or just contaminants that are super stubborn, you can clay before you polish. That would be very beneficial and of course getting that nice slick surface that you need to achieve. And then of course to finalize removing polishing oils and prepping the surface, you're gonna wanna use your Wolfgang Perfect Finish paint prep. And then from there, of course, we can move forward with our wonderful Uber glass coating. So before we start the prep process, I just wanna give you an example of what the glass looks like and performs like with water hitting it. And what we refer to is called flat, meaning that the water doesn't want to beat up, it just wants to stick to it and sheet, and that does distort your vision. So here's a great example using the IK sprayer. As you see, it just wants to stick to the surface, and that's where a lot of the road film and grime will stick as well. And it makes the wiper blades work overtime, and they're not always 100% successful because of this grabby surface. We're gonna fix that. With the first step, we're gonna go ahead and use our Wolfgang Perfect Vision glass cleaner and our Cobra glass towels. And I like a 2-towel method because this allows me to spray heavily to allow this product to really break down the road film and grime that's on this glass. And then the secondary towel just to clean up any smudges or smears. Now that we've got this glass nice and clean with our Wolfgang Perfect Vision glass cleaner, I'm gonna go ahead and run a 50-50 tape line. That way you guys can see the difference in regards to the clarity of this next step of polishing and of course applying the product and the performance and everything it delivers. We've got our tape line applied. Now we're gonna move into the next step, which of course would be the Wolfgang Perfect Vision glass polish. Again, like I said, the biggest key to the success of a glass coating is going to be your prep work. So with that, we're going to go ahead and apply this product. I want to shake it well first. Just want to put a couple pea-sized drops on here, about 4 in total. Clean off that lip. Now I like to start in the middle, that way in case you have any light splatter or anything like that, then you can work it out. You may need to do another application. We'll see how far this spreads. Now I just finished polishing the glass utilizing a machine with the Wolfgang Perfect Vision glass polish. Now, one of the biggest tips, just so you're aware at home, whether you're DIY enthusiast or professional, is you can use this, but you could also use a hand applicator. So either or would be fine in regards to polishing the glass. So now that we have achieved a great high finish to the glass with our Wolfgang Perfect Finish glass polish, I've removed that, and to really ensure that we have the full integrity of bond from the glass coating, we're going to want to follow that up with our very last step with our Wolfgang Perfect Finish paint prep. And then I'm going to wipe, and this will ensure that I remove any polishing residue, any impurities, and just get this surface as surgically clean as possible. So when we apply the Uber Glass Coating, we have full integrity of bond and full potential of performance. Now we're on the last and final step, which is what I consider the icing on the cake for this application. This is where we're able to utilize the Wolfgang Uber Glass Coating in the final steps of the application process. It's a real straightforward product I like to use because it's one of those things where some glass coatings you have to do in sections. This one, depending upon the heat and humidity, you could do a whole half a windshield up to a whole windshield at once and actually let it set on there. And when you do let it set and dwell, you want to leave this on here for about 30 seconds. Now, if you do leave it on a little longer, it won't hurt and it won't be super stubborn in regards to the removal process. But that 30-second mark is the sweet spot in regards to removal. So let's see what that looks like for the full application of this product. Of course, I like to gently shake the bottle. You don't want to shake it vigorously like you're going to shake a Coke can. However, open it up, and you'll want a nice small applicator pad so you can manage your product. I like to use the color side first so I know the opposite side is available if I ever need a secondary use. I'll go ahead and get this product on the pad. And the first time I put the product on the pad, I'm putting a little bit more because I call that priming. That way I know the pad is well saturated for good coverage. With that, I'll come up the middle of the windshield as a T, and then I'll go ahead and frame it out so I can make sure I have full coverage in the framework of the application. And then I'll start coming across left to right in what I call a crosshatch application. And that way it also picks up the excess that's in the middle from my first draw on the surface. Come back, up and down. There you are. I'll wait 30 seconds. Now we've given this product a good solid 30 seconds of flash time. And what you're gonna notice is a slight rainbow effect. And that's more of a visual effect to knowing that your flash time is on point. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my towel dead center. And I'm just gonna start wiping in a nice circular motion. And you'll notice that this is coming off super easy. Now, of course, I'll flip my towel to get a nice fresh side to it. Make sure I get all the edges, all the corners. And she is super slick. So as a professional, I like to do 2-layer application. The reason why I like to do that is, even though one layer is great, that secondary layer really just ensures that you're going to get the product into the pores of the actual glass, you're going to get full coverage, and you're going to create what I call a film build of product. That way you ensure the integrity of application, durability, and longevity without even having to second guess it. So with that, you don't have much of a what we call a cure time with this. This is something that, you know, you could go right into a secondary application. However, as a peace of mind, I like to maybe give it about 10 or 15 minutes. That way, on a chemistry level, it can kind of do its thing. And I know going forward that that first layer had time to do the bonding process up here. Now, with that, I'm gonna go into doing this secondary layer the same way. And you'll notice it don't take that much product the second time around. And it also is super smooth because of the ultra slick surfaces that first layer is left behind. So now that you've seen the super easy application process of prep and application of the Wolfgang Uber Glass Coating, which was, again, super easy, let's talk about the benefits. This little 30 ml bottle literally will get you up to 10 windshields application-wise. Also, you'll get upwards of almost a year worth of the hydrophobic repellency characteristics that it has to offer. And that's even with some of the wiper blades that are on the market that can be super abrasive. I tell you, it holds up very well against wiper blades. It doesn't diminish like most wiper blades would with the friction action. Now, I do recommend, of course, double checking your wiper blades, cleaning the blade, and or replacing it if you want to get the optimal performance after that application is done. With this product, you look upwards of a year, and the application being super easy. So even if you don't get the full year, depending upon what region you live in, going back to reapply it is nothing that's going to take a whole lot of time out of your day, which is the biggest part of being able to use this product. Now, with everything complete and all the information I've given you, let's see how this actual coating performs outside with a water test. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tape and then we'll get right to it. If you want more information about any of the Wolfgang products or the newest product to the Wolfgang lineup, which is of course the Wolfgang Uber Glass Coating, visit Autogeek.com.